第二部分啦，LEGO Comic 啊，咁我尋日咧就開始咧整緊一個新嘅，因為我而家諗緊咧，逢朝頭早咧就出一隻，俾大家望望先，好空泛就咁講。朝頭早咧就出呢隻特朗普漫畫嘅最新嘅新聞片啊，俾大家望下，效果幾靚仔，我覺得我都好滿意收貨啦，俾大家望。
Let me tell you about Georgia Maloney. I thought she had courage. I really did. But I was wrong. She turned her back on us when we needed her most. Shocking. Iran is building nuclear weapons. Nuclear weapons.
咁費事播啦，一陣話我兩個頻道咧就互相影響到。咁啊，見到佢質素好高下，你覺得識喐啦，咁啊字就讀得啱啦，又有特朗普啦，有中文字啦，又有聲明啦，上面有聲明嘅，你睇下呢度有聲明嘅，跟住咧有個 topic 嘅，咁啊成件事咧就係最新嘅新聞，我都唔知咩新聞嚟嘅，但係咧佢係幫我上網幫我揾新聞，咁啊產生咗呢條影片出嚟啦。咁呢個咧就係朝頭早8點鐘嘅事，一陣會講一詳細嗰個。叫佢點樣去每日增值唔同啊，即係日日一樣咧，佢就覺得唔 like 嘅啦。另外啦，就係呢個LEGO 咧就有啲瑕疵，咁啊俾大家望望啦，都幾靚仔個 look，我都 OK 嘅。